Can you guess how I'm going to help you get your craft space organized? Hey, I'm Therese, and I'm giving you a tiny sneak peek at what I'm going to be sharing at the next Get Organised HQ virtual conference. I'm going to be sharing 5 clever ways to maximize your storage. And I'm wondering if you can tell from these sneak peeks what my clever ideas might be. And if you think you know what they are, write them in the comments below. So this conference is starting on September the 8th. It goes for 6 days. There are over 100 presenters. That means there are over 100 sessions, and it's all about taking the stress out of your life and giving us lots of tips and tools to become more organized. It's not just about crafty stuff, although that's always going to be my focus. There's so much more. There's budgeting, there's meal planning, there's decluttering, as long as it don't make me declutter my crafty space. So this is a virtual conference, which means you can watch it from the comfort of your own home. The free ticket will give you 24 hours access to all of the sessions. An email will be sent out at the beginning of the day, and you can pick and choose whatever you'd like to watch. But if you do have the all access pass, you can start watching the sessions immediately, and you'll also have lifetime access. Now, I've got my link here for the free ticket, but it is an affiliate link. So if you do purchase the all access pass, that means I will receive a commission at no extra cost to you. Click on my link and register now and get ready to transform your crafty space. You won't want to miss this. It's huge.